the sea where the old boats rest. The breeze whispered dreams I never confessed. Then you came like sunrise in the sky. With just one smile, you changed my life. In cities' lights, your eyes would shine like stars above Ford's pillar at night. You held my hand, no words we spoke, but my heart knew what my soul woke. 'Cause I found true love in Zamboanga, in your laughter, in your gaze so tender. In every corner of the city fair, I see your face, I feel you there. It's not just fate, it's destiny. You and I were meant to be. Oh, my heart belongs to you, the girl I found in Zamboanga, true. We danced under the moonlit skies by the seaside where we both found peace. You said my name like a sacred vow. I didn't know love till I met you now. Now every journey's ride feels like a song. Every street sings where we belong. This love ain't a dream or sweet fantasy. It's real as the waves of Zamboanga Sea. Yes, I found true love in Zamboanga. In your arms, there's no more heartache. Even when the skies turn gray, your love lights up my darkest days. It's not just luck, it's meant to be. Forever starts with you and me. Oh, mi amor, it's always you, the girl I found in Zamboanga, true. So if they ask me where love began, I'll take their hand and point to a land where roses bloom and hearts are free, in Zamboanga, and found you.